Virtual twin experiences are scientifically accurate computer models of anything. Virtual twin experiences can test any idea before you try it in real life. Virtual twin experiences also help you make sustainable choices at every step. Virtual twins help researchers develop new molecules and materials, eliminating most physical testing. With virtual twin experiences, you no longer have to break prototypes to know they're strong, or work as they should. New manufacturing plants designed with virtual twin experiences operate at top efficiency. As parts arrive and finished goods ship, virtual twins optimize transportation. They build serviceability into product design, so repairs are easy and products last longer. A virtual twin shows all materials used in a product, so recyclers know what to recover and how. Virtual twin experiences optimize sustainability at every stage.